G'day guys, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is all about what not to sell on Amazon. What is one of the trickiest and perhaps even not deadliest, but risky products, right? And it's this little thing right here. Although it is tempting, it's one of those products where I would not get involved in. And it's a USB. And the reason is, it's a highly technical, well, it's not highly technical, but a lot of things can go wrong in this. And let me tell you a story. We had a client years and years ago who was importing a device very similar to this. And he was based in Canada. And he shipped his goods to Canada. He had a container load, so he had a 20-foot container, and he had not just these, but he had a few other things in it. I think he had furniture in it as well. He had all this other stuff, because I would normally fly this over if I was getting involved in this. But he brought it into Canada. Now, in Canada, it was actually quite cold. It was winter, and he brought these in, and what happened was there was condensation, and there was a lot of moisture inside the actual container, and these got moist. And in fact, when they arrived in the shores of Canada, I forgot which port it was, but a lot of them were not working. So it was a ruined shipment. And guess what? He didn't even have insurance, right? He didn't have shipping insurance. So that's not the only thing that can go wrong. This is a 32 gig USB. Now, what can sometimes happen, and it's known to happen, probably doesn't happen as often as it used to, it used to do, but they would sell it, they would put 32 gig on the outside or 64 gig on the outside, but it would be an 8 gig one or a 1 gig one, right? And it was dodgy. And that's what used to happen, okay? And probably it could still happen, right? But if you're one of my students, I would say stay away from these devices, because it's had a lot of troubled history with these devices. Leave it up to Kmart or Target or someone else to bring these devices in and basically go through those hurdles, because you don't want to go through those hurdles. All right, so today's a very quick tip, guys. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget, I've got a free video program on starting your Amazon business and importing from China and finding great quality products and quality suppliers at my website. So make sure you visit my website, guys. To your Amazon success, have an awesome day, and talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell. So most people go down the shotgun strategy, which is they have a shotgun, they try like 20 different products, and fingers crossed, hope that it works, right? But that's no way to build a successful Amazon business, right? So you need to make sure that the product that you're selling is going to be a killer, it's going to be a winning product. That's how you make money on Amazon. Some people say they don't have the time, they don't have the money, they don't have the experience. Their husband won't let them, their wife won't let them, their pet rock won't let them. And listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? It's a good question for you. Are you ready to find your hot product? Are you ready to launch your Amazon empire?